of Prime Minister, and next the Chief Minister is Jawaharlal Nehru. So in this situation, Jawaharlal Nehru is died. So Kamaraj taking charge of Chief Minister for us. Okay. Our India gave one name for him. That name is Kingmaker. You know Kingmaker. We are calling Kingmaker now. He is a respectable person. Is Kamaraja. Okay. He is a greatest simplicity and integrity person. So you have to be like this. Okay. So always think positive. Everything will be happening positive. And next one, he gave two words. You know, he gave two words for us. One is education. One is hard work. So education and hard work is very important to develop our life. Yes, no? Yeah. Okay. So you have to achieve your aim. Okay. Use your education and hard work. Always you keep with you your education and hard work. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And last class we'll see exercise 1 will be go to our subject. Last class we'll see exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4 we learn now. Yes. Next exercise 1.5 is that is statement problem. So we have to see in our live class. Okay. Exercise 1.5 we'll see in our live class. Next we'll move to exercise 1.6 using the 4 fundamental operation. We have to do exercise 1.6. Okay. See here. And first question you have to see here. What should be added to -1 to get 10? What should be added to -1 to get 10? Okay. So any two numbers. Which two numbers we don't know that. In these two numbers, one number they given -1. Other number they bring you that other number represent, let other number be represent as x. We have to take it. Okay. And to get 10. Okay. So any two numbers. Which two numbers you can add will be the answer 10. So one number is -1. Then other number we don't know that. That other number we have to represent as x. Okay. Other number let me take. Okay. We have to take. Okay. Other number we have to take any one variable. So -1 plus x. Other number we don't know that is equal to you have added two numbers will get the answer 10. Okay. So other number we want to find here. So x as it is we have to keep in left side. This -1 move to right side. So here this is -1 move to right side means the changes, the symbol is changed. Okay. See here 10 and -1 when moving to right side will be changed to +1. Okay. So minus value is there in left side means when it's going to right side will be changed in symbol. Okay. So -1 it's converted to +1. Okay. So here x is equal to 10 plus 1 11. So the other number is 11. So other number is what? 11. Okay. See here what should be added to -1. Now you have to add -1 with 11. You add -1 with 11 you will get the answer 10. So this is verification. You want to verify mean. We can use it. Okay. -1. So founding answer is 11. So -1 plus 11 is equal to 10. Okay. Do you understood? Do you have any doubt? Okay dear. So what should be added to -1 to get 10? So -1 already we know the one number we know, another one number we don't know. So another one number we have to represent as x and answer they given 10. So -1 plus x is equal to 10. We need to find x value. So x as it is we have to keep in left side and -1 you have to move to right side. So -1 it's converted as plus. So 10 plus 1 11. So x value is 11. So another one number is 11. Okay. You add -1 with 11 you will get answer 10. Okay. And next question you have to see here. Subtract 94,860. Subtract 94,860 from -86,945. You have to subtract this number from this number. So you have to write this number first. Okay. See here. First you have to write this number -86,945. Okay. From this number you have to subtract that given number. So minus. Okay. So subtract the given. So you have to use the symbol of minus. And next you have to write it 94,860. Okay. Now you have to see -86,945 minus 94,860. Here you have to use the integer rules. See here, when we have the same symbol of the numbers, that time you have to add the two numbers and write the same symbol. Okay. See here, 60. So two numbers are in same symbol. So you add the two numbers and write the same symbol. Okay, see here 5 plus 0 5. 6 plus 4 10. So you put 0 and you put carry 1. Okay. So 4 plus 6 10. So 10 you have to put 0. 1 is carry on. Okay. And next you have to add 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. Okay. So 18 you put 8 and carry on 1. Okay. So 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 4 11. You put 1 and carry on 1. Okay. So 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 9 18. Here you have to add the two numbers and write the same symbol. Okay, see here minus you have to put right there the same symbol and you have to put the comma 1 10 100 1000. 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakhs. Okay, so answer is minus 1 lakh 81,805. Okay, see one more time I explain. Listen here. Subtract 94,860 from minus 86,945. Okay, so first we have to write this number. Next we have to use the subtract symbol and next we have to write 94,860. Now we have to see these two numbers. See this number is also minus and this number also is minus. Okay, so two numbers is there in same symbol mean you add two numbers and write the same symbol. Okay, so add two numbers. You add two numbers mean you will get the answer 1,81,805. So you put the symbol in minus. Okay, so this is the answer. Do you have any doubt here? Do you have any doubt? Okay, we'll go to next question. Okay, so find the sum. Find the sum. Sum mean you know already. Sum mean plus add the given numbers. Okay, so find the sum. Find the sum mean add the given numbers. Okay, see here add the given numbers. What are the numbers they given? You can see here minus 9,999 minus 9,999. Then you add the sum. Okay, you have to add. So use the plus symbol. Okay, sum mean you use plus symbol. And next number what number they given? Minus 2001. Okay, you use in bracket. Okay, next number what is the next number? What is the next number? You put plus, then after you have to write the given number. Minus 5,999. Okay, and next we have to see. Next we have to use multiplication rule. Okay, see here two symbols nearly is that mean use multiplication rules. Okay, and bracket also is that mean we have to take out the bracket. Okay, using the multiplication rule and take out the bracket. See here minus we have to write it minus 9,999 and here you have to see here plus here minus. So here plus here minus and bracket also is there. So in this place you have to use multiplication rule. Okay, so you know the multiplication rule. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Okay, so plus into minus equal to minus. So plus into minus minus. Then you have to write there 2001. Okay, next sum. Next number you have to see plus here minus. Here also use the multiplication rule. Plus into minus minus. Okay, so 5,999. Next we have to see the all the numbers. You have to see the all the numbers minus number minus minus. So all the numbers in same symbol mean you have to use the addition rule. Okay, so you have to use the addition rule. Add all the numbers and write the same symbol. Okay, you have to add all the numbers. Can you add all the numbers? See here you can add all the numbers minus 9,999. Add all numbers minus 9,999. Yeah, next you have to see sixth Roman. Okay, you have to see sixth Roman. Find the product. Okay, find the product. Here also you have to use what? Multiplication rules. You have to use and multiply the given number. See here, minus 30. Okay, see here, minus 30 into minus 70 into 15. Here you have to use multiplication rules. You know the rules now. See, minus into minus, what will come? Minus into minus plus. So minus into minus plus. So plus you have to keep in your mind. Okay, and plus into plus. Plus into plus plus. So the answer should be plus value. Okay, so your answer should be in positive value. Okay, see here, minus into minus plus, plus into plus, plus value will come. Okay, so see here, you have to multiply first these two number, 30 into 70. Okay, so minus 30 into minus 70 into 15. First we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, so minus into minus plus, and here 30 into 70, how to multiply? See, 30 into 70. See here 0, here 0 means you can put 0, 0. Then here you have to take 7 and multiply by 3. 7 3s are 21. Okay, so 0, 1, 0, you have to count the zeros. Okay, so 0, 0, 2 zeros there, so you have to put 2 0 and you have to take 7 and multiply by 3. 7 3s are 21. So 30 into 70 you will get the answer 2100. Okay, you want to normal multiplication method, you can do, no problem. Okay, so minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 21, then you put 2, you have to put the 0, so 2100. Okay, so 2100, 30 into 70 is 2100 into 15. Okay, so into 15, here you have to use the cipher. Okay, so 2100 into, can you able to see here? See, 2100 into 15. Okay, so 2100 into 15. 5 0 is 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, next 10 place value have to take and multiply by each number. 1 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2. Okay, so now here is there no any number mean you can put 1 0, add 1 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 2 3. Okay, so here we have get the answer 31,500, positive value 31,500. Okay, see here, minus 30 into minus 70, you will receive the answer 2100. Okay, 7 3s are 21, then 2 0 you can put, so 2100. Okay, and next we have to multiply by 15. So 2100 into 15, you will receive the answer 31,500 plus 31,500. Okay, do you have any doubt? Okay, dear. Next we have to see divided. Divided minus 72 by 8. See here, divider minus 72 by 8. Okay, so you have to use the division method and write the answer. Okay, see here the numerator we have negative number and here denominator we have positive number. So you know the value, you know the rules of the integer. Okay, you know the division integer rules now. See here, negative number divided by one positive number. Negative number divided by one positive number, you will get the answer negative value. You will get the answer what? Negative value. You know the rules now? Already we learned now. Yes. So one negative value divided by one positive value, you will get the answer negative value. Okay. See, 72 divided by 8. So 72 divided by 8. Use 8 table. How many times is that 8 in 72? How many times 8 is that in 72? You know the tables, Kana? You know the tables? Okay, you have to thoroughly study the tables. Okay. See, 8 9s are 72. So you have to subtract here 0. So here you have to see in the quotient. What is the quotient here? 9. So answer is minus 9. Therefore answer is what? Minus 9. Okay, you know the division integer rule. One negative number divided by one positive number, you will get the answer should be in negative. Okay, so 72, if you divided 72 by 8, you will get the answer 9. So minus 9 is answer. Okay, come to the next question. equality. Both side not equal answer mean you have to write it not equality. Okay. We have to verify now. See here, left side 11 plus 7 plus 10. We have to write this in left side, and right side we have to write it. What is the given in right side? 11 plus 7 plus 10. You know the BIDMAS method. Okay. BIDMAS means what? Bracket of integers. Okay. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This order wise you have to simplify the given question. Okay. You all learned in your 6th standard about BIDMAS. Yes, no? Yes. Here you have to first expand the inside of the bracket. Okay. Inside of the bracket you have to expand. Okay. See here, 11 plus 7. 11 plus 7, what answer will come? 11 plus 7, 18. Okay. So 11 plus 7, 18. Plus 10 as it is we have to write it, and come to right side. 11 as it is we have to write it, because you know the BIDMAS. So bracket off. First bracket off we have to expand. Okay. So 7 plus 10 we get the answer 17. Okay. So 11, 7 plus 10, 17. Okay. Now we have to see. Now next we have to add this two number. We will receive the answer what? 28. Okay. Next here 11 plus 17. 11 plus 17 also you add, you will get the answer 28. Both side you have to see, left side and right side, both answers are equal. Okay. Therefore the given question is equality. Therefore left side and right side is equality. Okay. Did you understood that? Did you understood? Okay. Next we will move to 4th Roman. Okay. So 9th Roman, first question and 4th question I am doing here. Okay. Remaining two sums is there. 3rd sum and 5th sum. Okay. So 2nd sum and 3rd sum for your homework. Okay. So 9th Roman, first question, 1st Roman and 4th Roman I am doing here. Here 2nd Roman and 3rd Roman for your homework. Okay. See here. Here also you have to take left side and right side. You have to simplify it. Okay. So both side answers are same mean the given question is equality. Both side answers are not same mean the given question is not equality. Okay. See, shall we do now? See here. 3 into. Okay. 3 into minus 4 plus minus 10. Okay. Equal to, this is left side, you have to write this in left side, and next to this you have to write in right side. See here, 3 into minus 4 plus 3 into minus 10. Okay. Okay, this is left side and this is right side. Okay. First you have to expand the bracket. Inside of the bracket, what are the conditions, what are the numbers they given? First you have to expand that. Okay. See here, 3 into. Next you have to expand the bracket first. Minus 4 as it is you have to write. Okay. And next step you have to see. Here we have two symbol nearly we have. Plus and minus we have. And bracket also we have. Okay. So here we have to use multiplication rule. Then only you can take out the bracket. Okay. So we want to break the brackets mean use multiplication rules. Okay. See, plus into minus 10. Okay. Is it clear? Kana? Okay. Next we have to come here. 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4. Inside of the bracket you have to expand first. Okay. So here plus 3. Here minus 4. Here we have to use multiplication rule. Okay. See, plus 3 minus 4. Plus 3 minus 4. First we have to multiply the operations. Okay. See, plus into minus. Plus into minus. Okay. So 3 4s are 12. Okay. So first this bracket you have to expand it. Okay. Next plus. Okay. Come to next here. Here plus 3. Here minus 10. So plus into minus. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Okay. This plus is in question plus. So you have to keep as it is. Next you have to expand this steps. Okay. So 3 into minus 10 plus 3 into minus 10. So plus into minus. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. Okay. Did you understood? Okay. Next step you have to see here. 3 into. Okay. Here you have to use addition rule, integer rules. Okay. See, minus 4 minus 10. Minus 4 minus 10. You have to, the same symbol. See, minus 4 minus 10 minus 14. 4 and 10 you add in 14 and right there the same symbol minus 14. Okay. And next step. See, come to right side minus 12 as it is you have to write it. Okay. Next step here this bracket, two symbols nearly we have and bracket is there. This bracket we have to take out mean use multiplication rules. Then we have to break up the bracket. Okay. See here minus 12 plus into minus plus into minus minus. So minus 30. Okay. And next 3 into minus 14. 3 into minus 14. Here plus 3, here minus 4. Minus 14. So plus into minus minus. 3 14s are. 3 14s are what will come? 42. Okay. So 3 14s are 42. Okay. Next we have to come to right side. Minus 12 minus 30. See here two numbers are in same symbol mean you have to add the numbers and write the same symbol. See minus 12 minus 30 if you add mean answer is 42 and right there the same symbol minus symbol. Now we have to see left side and right side both answers are same answer. So the given question is equality. So the given question is equality. See left side and right sides are same number, same answer. So left side and right sides are equality. Did you understood? Did you understood? See here one more time I explain. Listen here. 3 into minus 4 plus minus 10. This is the bracket. Inside of the bracket they given. Okay. So this you have to take in left side. Okay. So 3 into here minus 4 plus minus 2 symbols nearly is there. Then bracket also is here. So here you have to use multiplication rule. Which place and all you have to use multiplication rule. Which place and all you have to use addition rule. You want to clarify first. Okay. Then only you can do the sums. Okay. See here plus into minus. Here you have as it is you have to write it. See minus 4 plus into minus minus 10 as it is you have to write it here. Okay. The next 3 into minus 4 minus 10. Here you have to use addition rule. Here you have to use multiplication rule. See here multiplication. Wherever you are using the multiplication rule, you have to see two symbols nearly is there. Okay. But here you have to see here 1 minus, here 1 minus only is there. So here this type is there and you have to use addition rule. Okay. So minus 4 minus 10. You add two numbers and write there the same symbol. So minus 14. Okay. Equal to. Then here plus 3 minus 14 you will receive the answer minus 42. Come to the right side. See come to right side. 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4. Here plus 3. Here minus 4. So here multiplication symbol they given. So then here you have to use multiplication rule. So plus into minus minus. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Next you come to here 3 into 10 plus 3 minus 10. So plus into minus minus. 3 10s are 30. Okay. Next you have to bracket you have to take out the bracket. So minus 12 after this you have to write it. Here you have to see here you have to see what rules you want to apply here. Multiplication rule you have to apply here. So plus into minus minus 30. Okay. Here you have to use addition rule. Okay. So minus 12 minus 30. Add the two numbers and write there the same symbol. So 12 30 42 symbol is minus. So left side and right side both answers will be equal. So the given question is equality. Okay. Do you have any doubt me? Ask me. Okay. Okay. Next we will go to the next sum. Okay. Yeah, you have to see that 10th question. You have to see the 10th question. Okay. So take your book and read question 10. Okay. Exercise 1.6, page number 29, 10th question. Okay. You have to take your book and keep with you. Okay. So I am going to read. You have to see here. Kalaivani had 5,000 rupees in her bank account. Okay. She deposited 2,000 rupees in January. Okay. So January 2,000 rupees again she deposit. Okay. And next she needs some money. So she withdraw some money. So how much amount she withdraw me? 700 rupees she withdraw in February month. Okay. Listen carefully. Initially Kalaivani has 5,000 rupees in her bank account. Okay. And next she deposited how much rupee? 2,000 rupee in January month. Okay. And next in February month 700 rupee she withdraw. Okay. For some purchasing what was the Kalyani bank account, the bank balance on 1/4/2018? Okay, January, February, March, April they are asking. Okay, again see deposited 1,000 rupee. Again see deposited 1,000 rupee and 1,000 rupee deposited and 500 rupee withdraw in March month. Okay, so in March month again she deposited 10,000 rupees and 500 rupee withdraw. Okay, so see here, so we go to the sum. Okay, Kalyani initial amount. See here, page number 29. You have to take your book and keep with you. Read the question one more time. Then only you can understand the sum. Okay, see here, initially bank account. Kalyani has initially bank account. Initially how much amount she has? 5,000 rupees. Okay, so initial bank balance is, initial bank account is 5,000 rupees. Okay, and next deposited on January month. So again see deposit some amount. So how much amount mean deposited on January month? 2,000 rupees. Okay, so 2,000 rupees again she deposited in her bank account. Okay, and next and March month, deposited on March month. So March month also 1,000 rupees she deposited. Okay, so totally how much amount she deposited we have to see. Okay, so totally how much amount in her bank account. So you have to add here because this is the initial amount. Again January month she deposited 2,000 rupee and again March month she deposited 1,000 rupee. So totally how much amount she deposited in her bank account. Okay, so you have to add the given values. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 and here 0 and here 0. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. Okay, so totally in her deposited bank, in her depositing amount 8,000 rupees. Okay, so in her bank account totally how much deposited mean 8,000 rupees she deposited. Okay, next how much amount she withdraw we'll see here. See here, withdraw on February month. So withdraw on February month. February month she needs some money, so she withdraw from her account. Okay, see here, withdraw on February month. Withdraw on February month. How much amount she withdraw? 700 rupee she withdraw. Okay, and again she need amount, so withdraw on March. year 2020. Okay, X item and Y item, two items they given. Okay, so which item is costlier? Which item is costlier? We have to see here. See solution. Amount increases for item X every year. So X item every year 10 rupees increasing. Okay, and prices of X item in 2018. So prices of item X in 2018 50 rupees. Okay, and next prices of X in 2019. So 2018 50 rupees we have. Okay, so prices of X in 2019. So 2018 50 rupees is that 50 rupees, and every year 10 rupees is increasing. We said no. So that 10 rupees you have to add with 50 rupees. Okay, so 50 plus 10 we got the answer 60 rupees. So in 2019 prices of X item is 60 rupees. Okay, next prices of X in 2020. Prices of X in 2020. See here, in 2019 we have 60 rupees. Okay, in 2019 we have 60 rupees, and conditions they given every year 10 rupees is increasing. So this 10 rupees you have to add with 60 rupees. You will get the answer 70 rupees. Okay, so prices of X in 2020. In year 2020, cost of X item is 70 rupees. Okay, did you understand this steps? Okay, come to here. And next, amount decreases for Y per year. Amount decreases for item. Okay, for item Y per year. Okay, so amount decreases for item Y per year 15 rupees. Okay, so every year item Y is decreasing 15 rupees. Okay, see here, prices of Y in 2018. In 2018 in your question given you have to see. Okay, so prices of Y in 2018. In 2018 cost of Y item is 90 rupees. Okay, and next prices of Y in 2019. In 2019 you know what is the condition they given 15 rupees every year 15 rupees it's decreasing. Okay, so prices of Y in 2019, we know the 2018 value we have present 19 rupees is there. So we know the condition 15 rupees it's decreasing every year. So from 90 rupees you have to less 15 rupees. From 90 you less 15 means you get the answer 75 rupees. Okay, so price of Y in 2019 75 rupees. Okay, next we have to find the next year. Okay, price of Y in 2020. Price of Y in 2020. Okay, so you know the value for, you know the answer for 2019. From the 2019 answer you have to less 15 rupees. Okay, see here, prices of Y in 2019 75 rupees. Okay, see what is the condition 15 rupees every year you have to decrease it. So 75 rupees minus 50 rupees you will get the answer 60 rupees. Okay, so prices of Y in 2020 is 60 rupees. Okay, so prices of Y in 2020 is 60 rupees, and here you have to compare prices of X in 2020. Here 70 rupees. You have to compare these two items. You have to compare these two items in this same year. Okay, see here, in 2020 X item is 70 rupees. Okay, in 2020 Y item is 60 rupees. See here, here 60, here 70. So which item is costlier? Which item is costlier? X item or Y item? See, compare the values, compare the rupees. See here, X item 70 rupees, here 60 rupees. So prices of X item is costlier. Compare that Y value. Okay, because X is 70 rupees, Y is 60 rupees. Therefore 70 greater than 60. X greater than Y. Okay, X item is greater than Y item. So item X will costlier in year 2020. Okay, so in 2020 which item is costlier? X item is costlier. Okay, pa? Okay, bye. Okay, shall we see next class? Okay,